so much to learn about. It'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Woof, 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 woof. Hey, it's me, Blippi, and I was just acting like a dog. Hey, why don't you and I draw a dog together? Yeah. All right, first we need to draw 6 circles on the bottom. Will you count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good job. And now 2 half circles, one right there. Whoa, and a bigger one right there. Whoa. Let's draw 2 eyes. Yeah, 2 circles that we color in, just like that. And then let's fill this area in for the nose. And we can't forget about the whiskers. Those are just dots, just like that. Oh, and let's make a little tongue. Ah. Okay, let's draw some ovals for some ears, just like that. And then we need to draw the tail. Whoa! Look at that long point. And to finish it up, let's draw some straight lines for the feet. Whoa, cool. Did you like drawing the dog with me? Yeah, that was fun. If you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Woof, woof, woof. Happy birthday! Yeah! Hey, it's me, Blippi. And since it's someone's birthday out there, why don't we draw a birthday cake together? Whoa, I love birthday parties. They're so much fun. Yeah, because big group of people get together around the cake, they sing happy birthday, and then whoever's birthday it is, they blow out the candles. Whoa, and then you get to eat the cake. So yummy. So let's draw a straight line, then the first layer of the cake. There we go. And then let's draw the second layer of the cake. Oh, this is gonna be a big, tasty cake. Ooh, and let's draw 3 small rectangles. Yeah, these are the candles because this person is turning 3 years old. Ooh, and can't forget about the little flames up top. There we go. So then they can blow them out. But we're not done yet. We need some icing. Yum! Wow. Well, if you want to keep drawing with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. See you later. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. And do you want to draw something else with me? Yeah, let's draw the night sky. Wow, at nighttime, is there the sun or the moon? Yeah, the moon. So let's act like we're drawing a circle, but let's stop halfway. And then let's arch it back the same way. Yeah, that looks like the moon, doesn't it? Yeah, the moon actually can look different. Yeah, at different times of the month. Yeah, because light hits it in different ways. Oh, hey, and what else is in the night sky? Yeah, stars. Let's draw some orange stars. There we go. Wow, this is perfect. I love the nighttime. Oh, it's so relaxing. And look, my 2 favorite colors, blue and orange. Well, this is the end of this video. And if you want to keep drawing with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. See you later. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Do you want to know one of my favorite snacks when it's really hot outside? Yeah, an ice cream cone. They taste so good, and it's nice and cold when it's hot outside. Hey, why don't you and I draw an ice cream cone? All right, first I'm gonna start with the color purple, and then I'm gonna act like I'm drawing a circle, but I'm gonna stop about halfway. And then I'm gonna draw some half circles on the bottom, just like that. Ooh, that's the ice cream. Ooh, and then you can't forget about the cone. So I'm gonna use the color brown and draw a V. Yeah, if I drew it straight across there, then that would be a triangle. All right, let's connect that, just like that. And then I'm gonna do some stripes. Whoa! Yeah, it looks like we have some texture right there. Wow, doesn't that look yummy? Whoa! Wow, I sure do love drawing, and I sure do love ice cream. I only eat ice cream after I eat a nice healthy meal. Well, if you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Whoa! Hey, it's me, Blippi. Did you hear that? Sounds like a monster truck. Whoa! I love monster trucks and I love drawing. Let's draw a monster truck together. First, let's start with the cab right up top. Whoa, that's where the driver sits. And then, yeah, let's make a big rectangle right here. But instead of connecting it, we need to make space for the big tires with half circles. All right, and how does the monster truck cab attach to the tires? With giant shocks! Yeah! All right, there we go. And what's it missing? Giant wheels and tires! Yeah! So 2 big circles right there, and 2 big circles right there. And then a square for a window. Wow! Now does that look like a monster truck, or does that look like a monster truck? Yeah! Well, if you want to draw some more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Yeah! B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi! All right, see you again. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Do you want to draw a spider with me? Yeah! I like spiders. They are so cool how they can spin webs. Wow, isn't that unique? I know! All right, to draw a spider, I'm gonna grab this black marker and draw a circle. All right, just like that. And then, since they have 8 legs, let's draw 8 curved lines like that. There we go. And then 4 on this side to make the 8. 4 plus 4 is 8. And then let's draw a circle right here for an eye, circle right there for an eye, and then a smiley face. But this isn't just a normal spider. This is a black widow. Let's draw the hourglass over there. Yeah, pretty cool. Yeah, black widows have this red hourglass on the body. Yeah, you don't want to get close to those. Pretty cool. Well, I love drawing, and if you want to keep drawing with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Yeah, ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Do you like to draw? I do too. Let's draw an animal together. Okay, you can guess what animal it is. It's really tall, has a really long neck. Yeah, and they live in Africa. Yeah, a giraffe. Let's draw a giraffe together. First, let's draw the head. Ooh, there we go. 2 little ears, just like that. Oh, and then on top, they have these things called ossicones. Yeah, they kind of look like horns, but they're a lot cuter. All right, 2 small eyes. There we go. And then 2 nostrils, and then a smiley face, nose, mouth, and eyes. All right, now let's draw the really long neck. Yeah, there we go. And then there's the body. Oh, and then it has 4 legs. There we go. And then the feet. Perfect. And the tail. Whoa. Whoa. And you can't forget about all the spots, just like that. Oh, there we go. So cute. Wasn't this so much fun drawing a giraffe together? Yeah. If you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Do you see me? Yeah. Do you see how I'm wearing glasses? Why don't we draw my glasses together? Yeah. All right, they're pretty hard to draw, but I think you got this. First, let's start with a long straight line. There we go, for the top. And then 2 bubbles, half circles. There we go. Perfect. And then you have to draw the arms. Yeah, that's what holds them onto your face, your ears. All right, there we go, a little hook. Perfect. And then 1 over here. Whoa. Wow, don't those look good? Yeah. Well, since they're my glasses, maybe we can color them in with orange. Woohoo! All right, there we go. Whoa. Whoa! I love drawing and coloring, and I love my glasses. Whoa! Well, this is the end of this video, and if you want to keep drawing with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. See you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. And do you like fruit? Yeah, I do too. One of my favorite fruits is an apple. Maybe you and I should draw an apple today. Wow, there's green apples, red apples, yellow apples, but today you and I are gonna draw a red apple. All right, so let's draw a curved line like this. Ooh, and another curve on that side. There we go. And then, since apples have stems and leaves, let's take the color green and then do a stem right up here. There we go. Maybe a little thicker. But then for the leaf, a couple curved lines like that, and then a line right in the middle. Whoa, doesn't that look like a tasty apple? I know, it does. But I'm gonna color in the apple now. I'm gonna make a little line like that. Yeah, so then it looks like a reflection. And then, time to color! Yum! Whoa, that was so much fun drawing and coloring an apple together. If you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. Blippi, Blippi. So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout.